Hi everyone, today we will learn about the poem Leave This Chanting and Singing by Rabindranath Tagore. Leave this chanting and singing and telling of beads. So we are offering prayers to the gods, singing songs for the God that we will meet the God. In that hope, we are singing songs or phrases or giving flowers to the God that He must be there with us all the time. But the poet is saying, whom dost thou worship in this lonely dark corner of a temple with doors all shut? Means the poet is trying to tell us that you are worshipping in the lonely dark corner of a temple with all the doors shut and your eyes are also shut. So open thine eyes and see thy God is not before thee. Means the poet is saying that open your eyes and see that God is not there in front of you. You are just offering prayers to Him, songs to Him, or flowers, or anything that is loved by God. But open your eyes and see that God is not in front of you. He is there where the tiller is tilling the hard ground. Means tiller is tilling the hard ground where the farmer before sowing the seeds is making the land to be prepared for the sowing of seeds. He is working very hard to make that land very good for farming. And where the pathmaker is breaking stones means pathmaker is the person who makes the roads. So he is breaking hard stones all the day to make good road. He is with them in sun and in shower. So the God is with these people who are tilling the land and making the roads for the people. He is with them in sun and in showers, and his garment is covered with dust. So the God's garment and that people's garment is covered with dust. So as we can see that farmers or all the people struggle very hard to gain money or anything they want to, what we can say, to get anything in life, not only money but satisfaction also, and many things that we want. We have to just struggle. We cannot only sit in front of God and say that we want this, you please give this, then we will do this for you, we will offer this for you. We cannot say like this to the God. So God also says that you struggle for your success, or you struggle for what you want. You don't only pray. Prayer cannot do anything unless you are not ready to struggle, or unless you are not doing hard work to gain that success. Put off thy holy mantle. Holy mantle means that dress that is worn during the puja that we perform. So put off that holy mantle and even like him come down on the dusty soil. Means like how that persons there are tilling the ground, doing hard work, pathmaker is breaking the stones. So like them, you also don't sit in the temple only. Come down on the dusky soil and then struggle, then you will meet the God. As if not only in soil but in practical thing, we can say that we may struggle in any field to get success. Not only prayers will give you success. Come out of thy meditation and leave aside thy flowers and incense. So the poet is saying that come out of that meditations, leave aside thy flowers, offer to the God. What harm is there if thy clothes become tattered and stained? So, what is the harm if you are working in the soil or doing struggle or hard work to gain something more than you are now there? Means you have to work very hard, whatever may be the field, but here in the poem, it is the soil, the land to be there. Meet him and stand by him in toil and in sweat of thy brow. Means The poet is lastly saying that you will not get God in the temple, you will get God in the soil. If you want to meet Him and you want the God to be with you all the time, then you must come into the soil, do hard work for gaining anything, then only God will be with you. So the poet is saying, leave aside all the meditations, all the flowers and incense, and meet Him in the soil and be there doing hard work. Then only God will be there with you. So yeah, this was the poem all about Live the Chanting and Singing by Rabindranath Tagore. So thank you very much and please subscribe to my channel.